Hello, this is Nick from Rig & Farm, and I'm going to show you how we built our chicken tractor out of PVC pipes, chicken wire, and a few other small pieces. This design is 8 feet by 8 feet and 2 feet tall, but you could always alter the length to meet your needs. We have 6 chickens, so it provides almost 11 square feet per bird. That is more than 10 times the space that commercial chickens have, and the USDA recommends 1¼ square feet for quote-unquote free-range chickens. The great thing about a tractor is the mobility that in essence allows your chickens to graze on your entire yard or pasture while being protected within the confines of their enclosure. The first thing you need to do is measure and cut the PVC pipe. I use this ratchet style cutter. It's easy and effective. Gather all your connectors and pipes once everything is cut to your specifications. I always recommend doing a dry fit and then going back and using PVC cement to secure all the pieces. This is what our frame looked like once we assembled it. We measured and cut lengths of 4 feet wide chicken wire and secured them using zip ties. There was some bowing that occurred, so we used a drill and Dremel to cut a hole in this T-connector and put another pipe that was 8 feet in length in it. A lot of PVC tractors that we've seen have a door on the top, but we chose to have a side door for the chickens to walk in and out themselves. We secured all this with ball-style bungee cords. This is the completed tractor in our yard. Our girls love it. We attached a tarp on top to provide some shade and protection from the rain. Check the description for all the parts and measurements we used. Thanks for watching, and please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.